So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. Click to search. After that you can see this, enter your model number of motherboard, B650 UDAX. After that hit enter. Then click to title of this. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10 and 11, any, but installations process same, any. Chipset driver, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. You can see click on, after that automatically start. I already downloaded chipset. You can see this is chipset. Click on that and then double click to exe. It will start downloading. First ask it's this is also complete. Yes or no. Click on yes for the installation. So it is complete, and then close it.